You have probably added a Facebook pixel before and now you're wondering how to get rid of it. But when you open your settings, everything looks confusing and hard to understand. Maybe the pixel is no longer needed, maybe you connected the wrong one, or maybe you just want to clean things up and avoid tracking problems. The truth is, deleting a Facebook pixel is not as simple as clicking one button, and many people will get stuck or do it the wrong way. In this video, I will show you the exact simple steps to properly delete or disable Facebook pixel without breaking your ads or website. I will keep everything clear, slow, and easy to follow so anyone can do it. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. So let's get started. First thing, make sure you're logged into your account. Just gonna go here and scroll down and open Meta Business Suite here. Click on here in the left side, go to all tools here. Then in here, advertise, you're gonna find here Events Manager. Make sure you click on it. Here you're gonna go to datasets. I don't have no data sources here, but you're gonna find your pixels here. Whenever you just wanna delete something, you're just gonna go here and you're gonna find your pixels, and you're just gonna click on delete that you're gonna find next to the pixel that you want to delete. This is how you can remove them. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.